In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Sora. Remix Videos Basic Guide. We'll start from scratch, so open your browser and head to Google. This just keeps things simple and makes sure you find the official site quickly. In the search bar, type Sora and look for the official Sora website in the results. Make sure the link looks legitimate before you click it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the Sora site, click on your profile. This takes you to your personal area where your drafts and previously generated videos are stored. If you don't see the project you're expecting, double-check that you're in the correct account and that you've saved your work to drafts. Now select the video you want to remix. It helps to preview it once and mentally note what you want to change. Things like style, pacing, lighting, or specific actions. The clearer you are about your goals, the better your remix prompt will be. Next, open the three-dot menu on that video and choose Remix. This creates a new version based on the original, so you can update the creative direction without losing your source. Think of it as a safe fork of your project, perfect for iterating and experimenting. You'll see a prompt field where you describe the changes you want. Be specific about the style, camera feel, subject, motion, and mood. You can also mention what to keep from the original. For example, you might write, "A gritty VHS-style scene where a fearless elderly woman fights off two circling tigers with a wooden stick as the shaky analog tape captures the intense, chaotic struggle." Notice how that prompt calls out the aesthetic, the subject, the action, and the camera texture. If you see optional controls like duration or aspect ratio, you can leave them at default for now, unless you know exactly what you need. Always follow community guidelines and respect copyright. Only remix content you have the rights to use. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. Sora will process the remix, and render times can vary depending on complexity and demand. You can watch the progress in your drafts, and when it's done, preview it end to end. If it's close but not perfect, repeat the remix flow, tighten your wording, and clarify any details that felt vague. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. When you're happy, save or export the result and keep a note of the prompt that worked best for future projects. That's it. You've just learned how to find Sora, open your profile, pick a draft, use Remix, craft a clear prompt, and submit your new version with confidence.